Hello cellos, today I want to talk to you about the third line of the Ode to Joy. This should be the last piece to the puzzle. You should already be able to play the first, the second, and the fourth lines of this song, and remember the second and fourth line are exactly the same. I'm going to start first by just playing you the third line so you can hear it. Okay, now this line has different things in it. The first and last note are both half notes. You'll notice they're clear in the middle. They are 2 beats each. So remember, for the half notes, the E, the first note, one finger on the D string, hold it for 2 beats with your bow going in the same direction. 1, 2. Now the last note, open A. 1, 2. Later on in the line, you're going to have the 8th notes. They're the 2 notes with the beam on the bottom connecting them, and that's the ta, ti, ti. If you play it on just the D string, the rhythm is ta, ti, ti, ta, 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 ti, ti, ta, ta. Would you play that with me just on the D string? Ta, ti, ti, ta, ta. Ready? Go. Ta, ti, ti, ta. Again. Ta, ti, ti, ta. Again. Ta, ti, ti, ta, 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 ti, ti, ta, ta. Good. If I start on the second measure of the third line, the notes are E, F, G, F, D. 1, 3, 4, 3, O. Let's just do that. One finger. Ready? Go. E, F, G, F, D. Do it again. E, F, G, F, D. Do it again. 1, 3, 4, 3, O. Again. One more time. Do it again. Good. Now the next measure starts exactly the same. E, F, G, F, but it ends with an E. 1. Let's play that measure. Go. E, F, G, F, E, E, F, G, F, E. Do it again. 1, 3, 4, 3, 1. Let's play both measures now of the TTs. Start with E. E, F, G, F, open D. E, F, G, F, E. Do them again. E, F, G, F, D. E, F, G, F, E. Good. Now we're ready. We can play the entire line now. I'm going to start with one finger on the D string for E. Back on the third line at the beginning of it. Go. E, F, D, E, F, G, F, D, E, F, G, F, E, D, E. Open A string. And that's the only A string note there. Let's try it one more time, but we're going to try very slowly. E string, or E on the D string, one finger. Go. E, F, last time without me screaming any notes at you. One finger. Go. Okay, so that's the third line. Your next step is going to be to put it all together. First line, second line, third line, and the last line. Remember, if you would go one line at a time, if you can play each line 3 times in a row without a mistake, then you know that line pretty well. After you do that, play the first and the second line together 3 times. Play the third and the fourth line together 3 times. If you can do them together, well, good. The last step would be to play the entire song. And once you do that, you will be ready to play this in the assembly. Thank you, and I'll see you in lessons.